Okay, to show you a little something here, trying to replace this old corroded fuse box. Fuse block. So anyway, ordered some of these. These are marine grade compact 4-position fuse blocks, and they work real nice. I just put I got half of one in, and there's the cap goes on it, and I'm going to mount it down in place behind here. But one's for the I got two. One is battery constant voltage, and the other one's ignition. So anyway, just got them in there. Got them in today, and I'm putting them in. Do away with this old dilapidated fuse block. This thing is barely hanging in there. So anyway, we're gonna fix it up. All right, let's see how it comes out. Okay, here's what we finished up with here. Placing the fuse block. This one right here went to the instrument lights, and it was just fused out with a 2.5 amp. I put a 3 amp in there, and this gives me 4 more spaces, one from the battery and one from the ignition. See that? And it's got these little caps put on there, protect it, and I labeled it with my little label maker. Put the amperage and what they are on there. So it just snaps on. Oh, let me get that out of the way. There we go. Snapped in place. And I think the little replacement metal that go in that old fuse block was $40, and these little marine grade fuse blocks were $20 a piece, about $20. So for $40 I replaced it with nice blade fuses and real good connections. So anyway, hope that helps you.